Okay, so looking at DGP Friday, right? You have two separate clauses, correct? First clause, second clause. They're divided and connected by this line here, right? They're showing this first clause, second clause. So what is the subject of our first clause? Right. Dance is our first subject. And the second box is always the verb, right? Went goes with dance. What's the verb in the dance was on Friday? We've already decided that the dance was on Friday. It's not in the same clause. Was is a linking verb. Okay. Yes. Well, you said every other word except on Friday, so there is nope. This dotted line is just connecting them. So let's look at what modifies dance. So since the modifies dance, it goes to the box that's connected to it, right? Nope. It's not even in the same clause. Why? What? Why on? Why is it on? What box? When you look at this, right? What is that called? On Friday is a what? That's not a verb. Stop and think instead of blurting. Stop and think instead of blurting. Hi, Ella. No, right now we're doing DGP Friday. We just got started on DGP Friday. Hey, Aiden. So we're partly through DGP Friday. Right now we're trying to figure out, we've got our first clause here. Yes, DGP week 4. There you go. It is our prepositional phrase. So we're looking at the dance was, and the prepositional phrase is on, and then Friday. Also notice that on these straight lines, right, when you look at the straight lines with dance, was, and Friday, they're either nouns or verbs. In almost every single situation, there'll be nouns or verbs on those straight lines. Those of you that just got on the Aiden and Ella, do you have any questions about that first clause we just did? Okay. Okay, it may take a moment because you're on Google Classroom. What might be helpful, or on Google Meet, what might be helpful in the future is to open up the DGP and then join the Meet, okay? Just as a heads up. So this dark dotted line that you see there, nothing goes on that line because it's just connecting the two clauses. This is like our semicolon, okay? So looking at this box that we have highlighted, what simple subject goes into that box? Well, all this line does is show that these two are linked. There's nothing that goes on that dotted line. So what did we say the subject was again? It is it. So looking at this box, we've got this simple subject is it. And now looking at this second verb. Yes, was is the verb. Remember, if you struggle with identifying these according to the Friday chart, when you look it up, Remember, you can always look at Tuesday because we label them with the same thing. Tuesday actually helps you with Friday, okay? If you look at them, they're exactly the same, okay? So, well, Tuesday we look at simple subjects, verbs, predicates, predicate adjectives. We look at prepositional phrases. We look at all these things. So what's left for it was? It was fun. So we're looking at the predicate adjective as our last word. Baylor, focus. Any questions on DGP Friday? Are they off? I don't mind them. Are they off topic? They're off topic then. You can ask me afterwards, okay? All right. So DGP Friday, remember to hit save and close, and then hit turn in the upper right-hand corner because it's easier to grade if they're all turned in. So if it says share, that's because I'm making